Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a really fun, really easy New Year's Eve craft. It's a press for champagne sign. These are really trendy right now. You can find them all over the place, but they are so simple and so cheap to make at home. I'm gonna show you how. The great thing about this project also is it's not just specific for New Year's Eve. You can use it year-round, put it on a bar cart, anywhere where you like to make drinks, and it's a really pretty, sweet piece of decor. I'm starting with this little printout here. It says press for champagne. I made this myself. I'm gonna put a link below so you can print this out yourself at home if you wanna make this. And I've just cut it to size and I'm gonna place it in a really simple frame that I already had. I believe I got this originally from the Dollar Tree, but use any kind of frame that you like. There's so many different designs out there. Use something to your own taste, something the size that you like. And I'm just placing it in, popped it in. The key here though is I did leave the glass out. We don't want the glass in this frame. And then I'm gonna use this little doorbell here. So cute. I got this on Amazon for just about $4. I'm gonna place a link to that below as well. So you can pick it up. You can get these really inexpensive at the hardware store. And I'm gonna use a little hot glue here. I'm gonna pop some hot glue onto the doorbell. The concept of this is in like the 1920s, if you were at a nightclub in New York, you would have your own little booth and you'd have a little button that you could actually press and somebody would bring you fresh champagne. So that's kind of what this is supposed to mimic, and there it is. It's got a little backing here so you can set this up. So cute. If you're having a New Year's Eve party, you can put this out at your champagne bar. If you're doing a mimosa bar, maybe for a brunch, really cute piece of decor. You could even bring this as a hostess gift if you're going to a New Year's Eve party. I love how this looks. Let me know in the comments below how you're celebrating New Year's Eve. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that red subscribe button so you can see more videos from me. I do super simple DIYs every single week, and thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed so far. This has been so much fun. I'm getting close to that 1,000 subscriber mark, and I'm gonna do a big giveaway when I get there. Thank you to everybody who has supported me. This has been so much fun, and I've got so much great stuff planned for 2019. A ton of Disney projects. Valentine's Day is coming. Spring is just around the corner, so I've got tons of fun stuff. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you all in 2019. Bye.